I can mention all those, I can talk about all those cases. So una nga, yung Galaxy Leader, last November 19th, as I mentioned, the ongoing effort to secure their release being undertaken through the DFA. The DFA has communicated with the foreign governments who have communication lines with the Houthi rebels with the objective of securing the release of our seafarers and bringing them home safely. Yung True Confidence was an attack last March 6th, and 11 of the 13 there had safely come home. Yung dalawa na nasawi due to the missile attack, right now, the forensic experts have I will not disclose the country at this stage, but forensic experts in a country where the remains were taken have prepared the two remains to be sent home, and the families of the two seafarers have viewed the remains and also expect the remains to come home. So the return of the two seafarers remains are expected to be home soon. It's a True Confidence. And then, of course, yung update dito sa MV Tutor, yun, we report on the rescue of the 21 and the continuing search for the remaining seafarer on board. Okay, yung dalawa sa True Confidence very soon. Wala lang strict timeline, but we're expecting them to be home very soon. And so goes with the 21 Filipino seafarers. Of course, dito sa tutor, of course, may medical protocols din, as I mentioned kanina. So once they reach convenient port, there will be medical protocols. And when they are ready, in medical terms, physical terms, cleared for travel, then they will be sent home very soon.